Okay, now I'm taking, I battered the beef liver. Now I'm putting it in the pan to fry. Like I said, I'm gonna do smothered liver. So after it's fried, I'm gonna make a gravy with onion. And it's 4 pieces, so only 2 can fit in there. And when that's finished, I'll put these 2 in. And then make my gravy with the onion. And then that's that. Okay. Now we're going to check put the butter on the crabs. Okay, just put that on. Turn the heat on that. Put that low because you don't want that to burn. And then burn butter on the crabs. And the crabs. Ooh, hot, hot. By the time the butter starts melting, I can put it over the crabs and let it finish. And that's the onions. Thinly sliced white onion to put in my gravy for my liver. Oh, this is gonna be good. This, mind you, this is my first time ever making liver because I did not like this as a kid. I used to put steak sauce on my liver. My mother used to always look at me like I was weird. She said, this is not steak, it's liver. I said, I know. And I don't like how it tastes. I need the steak sauce. And it tastes much better with the steak sauce. And I haven't eaten it since. I don't even like how it looks, but I have to eat it for my iron. Because the iron pills are just not working for me. Not at all. But I seasoned it up really good. I had it marinating overnight. So, and I seasoned the flour. The gravy's going to be nicely seasoned as well with the same seasoning I did the liver with and the flour. The complete seasoning, garlic powder, adobo, and black pepper. But I ran out of black pepper last night seasoning the liver. But it's going to be good. And my boyfriend is going to eat it with me. That's what he said. And he didn't just say that to say it. And I'm just sitting there eating it by myself. But he said he's going to eat it. Thanks for watching. And I'm going to see here now if I need to flip it yet. I want to burn it and I want to make sure it's done as well. Okay, yeah. I can flip it. Oh yeah, it's crispy. It's crispy. Okay. Okay. Okay, well now when those 2 finish, I'm gonna put it on a plate. My plate here, and dump the oil and then make my gravy. And that's it. Now I'll show you the finished dish when it's time to plate it.